Hi lovelies, how are you? Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Lux, a channel that is about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. In today's video, I am doing a Chanel unboxing. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. So, back at it. Your girl is up to no good again. So let's discuss this. I had a huge, I did it real big last month, August. It was my birthday month. And I had decided that I had made all of my purchases on like bags for the rest of the year. I was not going to make any more purchases concerning bags. Well, I got this itch because on my wish list it was a Chanel 19. I have been wanting one ever since they first came out, and this year I had been really looking at them. I knew I wanted to purchase some Dior, which I had never purchased before, and I've also done a video with that. I will link that, so if you like to see that video, you can see that video. So on my wish list for this year was I had Dior on there. I also had Chanel. I wanted a pink bag, and I also wanted a 19, but it didn't have to be all like this year, but I mean, those is what I wanted. Well, so last month, I know I'm kind of rambling guys, but I'm getting to it. So last month I purchased a adorable little pink drawstring bag that I love. I will also link that one, so if you like to see that unboxing, you can see that one. And I was through, I thought, then started seeing and hearing about another price increase that Chanel was going to have in November. And I've also been reading, I watched a YouTuber and I cannot remember her name. I think it was like a Maya Lynx or something. I'm so sorry if I'm messing up, but she did a video talking about a possible 25% increase on all luxury items and bags coming from Europe, France, and internationally. 25%, guys, that's a huge jump. If you're thinking about an Hermes bag in the store, if it's 12, okay, well, you just need to add another $3 grand to that. That's extensive. I mean, that is a big markup. So I started getting a little antsy, and I was like, well, I could save some money if I went ahead and if I made this purchase. So I did. But I know you don't want to hear all that. Let's get to the unboxing. So my bag came and I've been so excited. I've been working, but couldn't wait to shoot this video and share this with you guys, my YouTube family, who I love. So it's in the plastic here. Let's take it out. Also, by the way, let me do my little spiel. If you enjoy my content, I'd ask that you please subscribe. I'm really trying to grow my family, and I would love to have you. So if you would hit the subscribe and also the bell for notifications every time I post a video, I would greatly appreciate it. Please. So anyway, let's get back to this. I know I'm so extra. I'm sorry. So isn't this all right? So here's my receipt, and all I have told you guys is it is a 19. I haven't said what color, I haven't said what size. You just have to wait until I open it up and see. So here's the receipt. I have the cutest little essay that I found that I have never actually met face to face, but we do a lot of business together. Her name is Luciana, and I really love her. So let's see here. Okay, so I hate to destroy my ribbons, but I guess I'm gonna have to. Okay, here we are. So let's do this so you guys can see it. Try to make sure you can see it. All right. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. Can you see it? I'm sure you can see it. I don't want to tear my paper. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, guys. All right, we got that open. Okay. Can you tell what size it is by the back? All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see here. Take this off. Okay. If you cannot tell, it is the small Chanel 19 in goat skin. I had to have goat skin, is what I wanted this time. I love this leather. It's beautiful. See it? It is absolutely stunning. It's everything I thought it would be. So, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to take off all this stuff. Let's see here. It's on here really good. Let's see here. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm trying to be so delicate with this. I don't want to tear it. Oh, let's see here. Okay. So almost all of the paper and stuff is off of it. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I'm making noise here. I absolutely love it. Just looking at it so far. There you go. I love when something is brand new. No one has ever tried it on, touched it or anything. And from this, I can tell with all the paper and everything on it, it was right out of the box package. Guys, I can't wait to rock this. I don't know. Oh, girl, don't act like you have never had anything before. You have. Yes, I have. I have had something before, but I'm really loving this bag. When I first saw this bag, guys, I knew I had to have it. It was just so stylish and chic, and it's just gorgeous. So I have two classic flaps. I have a small, well, I think they're both small. No, I have a small, and then I have a medium. I think that's what it's called. It's a beige, and then I have a black and gold, which is vintage, which I showed you guys in my 5 most used luxury items. I will link that video as well. And I have a jumbo flap in caviar, sorry, and silver hardware. I love gold hardware, but I purchased that one in silver because I thought it would be kind of more of an everyday bag. So I'm gonna have to do a like my Chanel collection one day. So I'm so glad though that I can add this one now to my collection. I have been wanting it. I do not regret this purchase because Chanel is going to have another price increase, and I didn't want to pay any more money for this, nor did I want to wait until 2021 when there is a supposed to be increased tariff like whatever's going on, like with the tariff wars, and a 25% increase in like what the US is going to be charging France and all of the international countries. And so who's gonna pay that 25% increase? The consumer. We are. So I was afraid of that. That's really going to kind of mess up what I wanted to do, because my next wish list item was an Hermes. I would love a Birkin 25, but I won't purchase that unless I can purchase it out of like the boutique. I don't believe in paying hiked up on a used bag. So if that's gonna be the only way I can get it is pre-loved, then I probably will not ever own a Birkin. But that is my wish list item, and if there is a 25% increase in the price, I'm probably gonna have to count your girl out. So I don't know. I'm gonna really pray about that. So I'm done rambling. I love this. I'm so excited. I don't know what else to say, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like my content, as I said earlier, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm really trying to grow my family, as I say, and I would love to have you. Guys, be safe, be blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.